Hello kids! It's me again, Teacher Chris, at ako ang inyong magiging gabay para sa Quarter 1, Week 1, Lesson 2. And it's all about prime and composite numbers. After going through this lesson, the learners are expected to differentiate prime from composite numbers. Prime and composite numbers are equivalent to natural numbers, like 1, 2, 3, and 4, and so on. Take note that all whole numbers greater than 1 are either classified as prime numbers or composite numbers. So, what is prime numbers? A prime number is a whole number with only two factors, 1 and itself. It can also evenly divided in two divisors, which is 1 and itself. So class, pag sinabi nating prime number, ang factors niya ay dalawa lang. So pag sinabi nating factors, kung babalikan niyo yung quarter 1 lesson niyo, yung dalawang number na pinagmumultiply natin, ang tawag po dun ay factor or factors. Okay? And then, yun nga, pag sinabi nating prime number, dalawa lang ang factor niya. So, ang commonly na factor niya ay 1 at ang sarili niya. And, take note that, si prime number, lahat ng prime number, ay pwede lang siyang i-divide sa sarili niya at sa 1. So, let's have an example like this. So, the question is, si 3 ba ay prime number? Okay, so, ano-ano ba yung mga steps para malaman natin kung yung isang number ay prime number o hindi? So, una, think of a two number that when you multiply, the answer is 3. Okay, so mag-iisip daw tayo ng dalawang number na kapag pinag-multiply natin, ang sagot ay 3. Ayan. So, meron tayo ditong 3 times 1 is equal to 3. So, meron pa ba tayong number na maiisip na ang sagot ay 3 pag pinag-multiply natin? So, wala na. So, dito, ayan. So, dito sa ano na to, ang factor natin dito ay 3 tsaka 1. So, ang factor ng 3 ay 3 tsaka 1. Or 1 times 3 is equal to 3. So, kahit baliktarin nyo yan, 1 tsaka 3 pa rin yung factors niya. So, there is no other number you can multiply number to get 3 aside from 1 and 3. And therefore, the factors of 3 are 1 and itself. Ibig sabihin, ang factor daw po ni 3 ay 1 tsaka 3. 1 at ang kanyang sarili. Okay? And then, katulad po ng sinabi ko kanina, ang isang prime number ay pwede lang siyang i-divide sa sarili niya at sa 1. So, meron tayo dito example, 3 divided by 3, ayan, is equal to 1. Then, let's multiply 1 times 3 is equal to 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. And then, divide natin si 3 kay 1. 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Ayan. So, lagi yung tatandaan, pag prime number, pwede siyang i-divide sa sarili niya at sa 1. Dun lang, wala nang iba. Hindi pwedeng ganito. We cannot use any other number to divide by 3. For example, 3 divided by 2. Kasi bakit? 3 divided by 2 is equal to 1. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So, 1 remainder 1. So, meron tayong remainder. So, hindi pwedeng kapag mag-identify tayo ng composite or prime number ay may remainder. Dapat whole number lang. So, there is no other number you can divide 3 aside from 1 and 3. Therefore, the factors of 3 are 1 and itself. So, ibig sabihin, si 3 ay prime number kasi meron siyang dalawang factor. Yun lang. So, pag lumagpas siya ng 3, hindi na siya prime number. I mean, siya ay composite number na. So, laging tatandaan kapag may dalawang factor ang isang number, siya ay prime number. So, ibig sabihin si 3 ay isang prime number. So, tignan naman natin si 6. Okay, let's think of a 2 number that when you multiply, the answer is 6. Okay. So, meron dito 1 times 6 is equal to 6. Ayan. Is there any other number we can multiply aside from 1 and 6? So, meron pa. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Ayan. So, lagi yung tatandaan, yung 1 times 6, pwede siyang 6 times 1. Yung 2 times 3, pwede po siyang 3 times 2. So, okay lang yun. So, therefore, the factors of 3 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. Ayan. So, ilan ang factors ng 6 dito? So, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4. 4 ang factors ng 6. So, since si 6 has more than 2 factors, therefore, 6 is not a prime number. So, dahil si 6 nga daw po ay merong 4 na factors, sumobra siya sa 2 factors, ibig sabihin si 6 ay hindi prime. Si 6 ay isang composite number. So, what is a composite number? Composite number is a whole number greater than 1 that has more than 2 factors. So, ibig sabihin daw po, si composite numbers ay kapag sumobra ang factors niya sa 2, siya ay isa ng composite number. Laging tatandaan ha, si composite kapag ang factors niya ay 3 pataas, composite number siya. Pero pag ang factors niya ay 2 factors, yun po ay prime number. So, let's identify if 2 is a prime or a composite number. So, let's think of a 2 number that when you multiply, the answer is 2. So, 1 times 2 is equal to 2. So, there is no other number you can multiply to get 2 aside from 1 and 2. So, ibig sabihin, si 2 ay isang prime number kasi meron lang siyang 2 factor. Diba po? Trivia time. 2 is the only even prime number. Even. Like 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2, 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3, and 100 divided by 2 is equal to 50. This means that every even number higher than 2 is always a composite number. Ayan, so, lahat daw ng even number na higher than 2 ay matuturing na composite number. Even number po ha. Okay, so let's have a try. Let's identify whether the following is a prime or a composite number. So let's have 23. Think of a 2 number that when you multiply, the answer is 23. So let's multiply 1 times 23 is equal to 23. The factors of 23 are 1 and itself. So dito kay 23, ang factors niya ay 1 at 23. So ilan ang factor ni 23? 2 lang. So ibig sabihin, si 23 ay isang prime number. Okay? Kasi si prime number, meron siyang 2 factors lang. Let's have another example. 25. Think of a 2 number that when you multiply, the answer is 25. 1 times 25 is equal to 25. Then, meron pa tayong isa. 5 times 25. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. So, the factors of 25 are 1, 5, and 25. So, ilan ang factors ni 25? 3. Therefore, si 25 ay isang composite number. Bakit siya naging composite number? Kasi nga po, 3 ang kanyang factors. Yung 1, 5, and 25. Sumobra siya sa dalawa. So, the moment na sumobra sa dalawa ang isang number, sumobra ng dalawang factors, siya ay composite number. Okay po? Okay, so, another example, 15. Think of a true number that when you multiply, the answer is 15. Ayan. So, 1 times 15 is equal to 15. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. And the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, and 15. So, meron siyang 4 na factors. 4 na factors. Lumagpas siya sa dalawa. So, ibig sabihin, si 15 ay isang composite number. Another example, identify whether the following is a prime or a composite number. So, think of a true number that when you multiply, the answer is 43. So, isip tayo ng dalawang number na pag pinag-multiply natin, ang sagot ay 43. So, 1 times 43 is equal to 43. The factors of 43 are 1 and itself. So, ang factors daw ng 43 ay 1 at ang kanyang sarili, which is 43. Therefore, 43 is a prime number. Prime number si 43 kasi meron lang siyang dalawang factors. Okay? Remember, a prime number has exactly 2 factors, 1 and itself, while a composite number has more than 2 factors. So, lagi yung tatandaan si prime number, meron lang siyang 2 factors, yun yung 1 at ang sarili niya. Then, si composite number, meron siyang more than 2 factors. Number 1 and 0 are neither prime or composite number. 1 and 0 are special numbers. Get a pen and paper to check your mastery. In 5 minutes, identify whether the following is a prime or a composite number. So, are you ready? Let's do it! The instruction is identify whether the following is a prime or a composite number. You will answer or you will write your answer on the space provided. Your timer starts now. Number 1. 65 is a composite number. Number 2. 53 is a prime number. Number 3. 79 is a prime number. Number 4. 58 is a composite number. And number 5. 71 is a prime number. Did you get the correct answer? Good job!